Hey, how's it going? I'm Brendan with Gone Mobile Vans here in Huntington Beach today with a new 148 extended van that we just finished and we're delivering to a client tomorrow. Let me show you what we got. On the exterior on this van, we've got AM auto windows all the way around, a half slider on the passenger sliding door, 2 bunk windows on either side. We've also added some rigid scene lights on the outside here for nighttime camping. And we put on a new AVC Rig Roof Rack up there that holds a couple solar panels and a cutout for the MaxAir Fan. On the inside, up front, we've got a factory Ford 3-person bench seat. This is the narrow bench seat, so it gives them a little more room to walk around from the front to the back without having to open the sliding door. We've got dual Lagun swivel table mounts up front, so they can mount either behind the driver's seat or the passenger seat, so they've got access for their kids when they're driving to be able to have their tablet set up or swivel the seats around and have lunch together. Behind the seat, we've got a Galley from Van Wife Components with a NovaCool refrigerator in there, custom countertop, epoxied, nice and clean and shiny and durable. Overhead upper cabinets with 2 DC rotatable fans for some air movement in the cabin. Towards the back, we've got a Versa Bed from Van Wife Components. It converts from full width and length bed down to bench seat mode. So in lounge mode, you can hang out, and when you're at the beach, the bench seat can face forward, or it can even flip around and face out the back doors, so you got a nice view out the back towards the beach. Underneath the bed, we've got a 20-gallon wheel well water tank from Northwest Conversions that feeds an external shower wash down out the back, and it feeds the Galley. The Galley has an undermount gray water tank with an electric drain valve for easy dumping in an appropriate location. Back here, we've got full coin mat flooring throughout the whole van for waterproof and durability. We've got our own custom aluminum rear trim plate for protection. We also have our Goal Zero Yeti 3000X that has alternator charging and solar charging that powers all the components in the van: lights, fan, water pump, heater, the whole works. And one of the other cool things we did is 2 flexible gooseneck reading lights above the bed, so when you're in bed you can have them turned on, and there's even a red light as well to protect your eyes when it's dark outside.